So we just saw Silverstone. Take two.
The first one we ran out of battery because of Judy's dumbness, but we're good now.
And I'm just a random bystander.
Yeah.
So you care to see the posters? This is a much smaller one. You see, we got him, the weird guy that looks like a Nazi.
He reminds me of Borat.
Then we got that weird guy in the background. And then we got Shane.
Then we got
And then we got that one dude that looks like an old guy but really is like 20 years old.
Dude,
but he's hot.
And then we had that weird fat guy with gazers.
And then the name Silverstone, and then they remember what they did to the poster.
Yeah, look what they did. Look at that.
That's what they really look
And then
like.
the weird guy that has Blink 182 on his knuckles. I don't know why. And then they're pretty hot.
So are we.
Yeah,
I like to.
You back to Dipper? What are you talking about?
Nothing. I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey.
Now let's check for the mango shake. It's called mango. Look at this necklace. It's so
Some
hot.
people call me insane. I beg to differ.
I saw that video.
There's a yellow tide.
Listen.
Oh my left.
Look back, Ashley. Come to the back. That's Ashley there. She's in the front seat looking at us. Looks like a chicken wing.
Yes, sir. My hair looks like cartoon.
So, did you stab a chicken wing or what?
Why?
How long have we been?